Hello everybody, we're in the conference room right now at my mom's job. We're so bored. We brought our bags, but there's nothing inside of them. I'm right here, hello. Hi. And there's a dog, I don't know what kind of dog, I think it's a bulldog. It's super cute and awesome. I brought some of the toys from the Minecraft video that I made like 2 days ago, or I don't know when, just takes forever. One of them fell. Okay. I left the lizard one of these at home. I got some new toys. I didn't buy them. I just found them in the closet. Okay. You already remember them, the Enderman and stuff. Hello, my name is Golem. Yeah, I'm awesome. Okay. I don't know what else to do. Peekaboo. 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 Hey. Yeah. Okay. Hold on, guys. Is it hot? It's super hot.
How about good?
I haven't tried it. It burned my lip.
Quando tu vai... Ah, dimmi.
A little bit sugar.
More sugar?
A little bit.
Try. L'azúcar, se tiene azúcar en el fondo.
Oh.
Te estoy calentando el sándwich.
Okay. Car. And this fly is supposed to glow, but that ran out a long time ago. I will soon be making a video of, I think, Crossy Jungle or Crossy Road. She's eating her Pop-Tart. I hope you enjoyed this video, very short video. Bye.